How can the protective performance of a transparent encapsulant on a power module be quickly evaluated? In the case of transparent coatings such as silicone, if adhesion problems are suspected, the question arises as to whether the potting provides sufficient protection against moisture and failure. The challenge. This protection often cannot be assessed visually, and conventional test methods provide only limited insight. That's exactly where our iodine vapor test comes in, a specialized corrosive gas test based on the HAST, highly accelerated stress test, principle. Advantages of the iodine vapor test: results within just a few hours. Weak points in the protection system become clearly visible through staining. Provides an initial assessment of the coating's protective performance. Evaluation of results by experienced experts. The sample is deliberately exposed to humidity, temperature, and iodine vapor. Due to its strong reactivity with unprotected metal surfaces, iodine exposure testing rapidly and distinctly highlights deficiencies in the protective system. You benefit not only from the speed of the test, but also from the specifically tailored test parameters. The iodine vapor test provides solid insights before issues arise in the field. We're here to support you. Contact us if you have any questions about our failure analysis.